Kirui KTN.
Coming back home, officers from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission today interrogated Bomet Governor Professor Hillary Barchok of alleged theft of public funds in Bomet County.
The officers drawn from EACC headquarters and the South Rift region offices raided Professor Barchok's home in Longisa, Bomet County this morning.
He was later escorted under tight security to the EACC South Rift headquarters in Nakuru, where he was to record a statement.
Grace Ganga with more details.
Early morning, and Bomet Governor Professor Hillary Barchok found himself in trouble. Officers from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission raided his home in Bomet and arrested him over alleged embezzlement of county funds. The governor was escorted to the South Regional offices in Nakuru to record a statement. He is wanted, among other things, for allegedly embezzling the county multi-billion shillings. The EACC investigators raided his residence, where it said they confiscated electronics belonging to officials at his residence. In a statement, the commission CEO said they conducted a successful operation targeting Bomet Governor Barchok, 8 other senior county officials, and 2 contractors who are under investigation for conflict of interest and theft of public funds through fraudulent payment of 1.4 billion shillings to suppliers and contractors. Some of the contractors are said to be senior employees of the county government of Bomet. The payments were made for works and services that were not rendered. The statement further says the operation was undertaken in various premises linked to the suspects in Nairobi and Bomet counties, persons to court orders that yielded crucial evidentiary material that will aid in finalization of the ongoing